Keep your floors spotless with the best vacuum cleaner robot. This smart device effortlessly cleans dirt, dust, and pet hair with precision. Number 1. Irobot Vacuum Cleaner Robot. Keeping your home clean has never been easier with this advanced robotic vacuum, designed to tackle dust and dirt with a powerful 3-stage cleaning system. It adjusts suction levels for carpets and hard floors, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Smart navigation allows it to clean methodically in neat rows while avoiding furniture and stairs. This intelligent vacuum is ready to use straight out of the box, with minimal setup required. The sleek and low-profile design ensures it can access hard-to-reach areas like under furniture, while the edge-sweeping brush captures debris from corners and edges. Through the Irobot Home app, users can schedule cleaning sessions, track progress, and even enable "Clean while I'm away" mode for a hassle-free experience. With a 120-minute runtime, this vacuum can efficiently cover large areas before returning to its charging dock automatically when the battery runs low. Whether you need a quiet, light clean or a deep, powerful suction, you can customize the settings to your preference. Number 2. Ropvacnic Vacuum Cleaner Robot. Combining mopping and vacuuming, this robotic cleaner ensures a spotless home with its advanced cleaning technology. The 2-in-1 functionality integrates electronic mopping with a high-capacity water tank, offering customizable water flow settings for different surfaces and stain levels. Featuring powerful 4,000 pascal suction, this vacuum efficiently removes dust, dirt, and crumbs from wood, hard floors, and low-pile carpets. A 3-point cleaning system enhances efficiency, reaching tight spots where traditional vacuums struggle. Intelligent controls allow users to operate the vacuum through a smartphone or voice commands, making cleaning effortless. With compatibility for Alexa and Google Assistant, starting and stopping cleanings is as simple as speaking a command. Advanced sensors help the robot navigate around furniture, detect obstacles, and avoid falls, ensuring seamless cleaning. Self-recharging capabilities mean the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery runs low, ensuring it's always ready for the next session. Multiple cleaning modes and personalized settings make it a versatile option for various home environments. Whether you need scheduled cleanings or an on-demand deep clean, this vacuum offers smart automation, powerful suction. Number 3. Eufy Vacuum Cleaner Robot. Designed for those who value a quiet yet efficient cleaning experience, this compact robotic vacuum ensures powerful suction without the noise. With its slim 2.85-inch profile, it easily reaches under furniture and into tight spaces, providing a deep clean in areas that traditional vacuums might miss. The Boost IQ technology intelligently adjusts suction power within 1.5 seconds, optimizing performance based on the surface type. This vacuum can run for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors, maintaining consistent suction power while operating at a noise level similar to a microwave. For enhanced durability, the top is protected with an anti-scratch tempered glass cover, adding an extra layer of security. Equipped with infrared sensors, it can detect obstacles and avoid collisions, while drop sensing technology prevents falls downstairs. Although it doesn't support Wi-Fi or app connectivity, the included remote control ensures easy operation. Self-recharging capabilities allow the vacuum to return to its dock when the battery runs low, ensuring it's always prepared for the next cleaning session. Ideal for homes needing a low-maintenance, automated cleaning solution, this vacuum delivers effective performance with minimal noise, making it a great choice for households that value both efficiency and convenience. Number 4. Mamnv Vacuum Cleaner Robot. This 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo is designed to deliver a deep clean while tackling both dry and wet messes efficiently. With a powerful 2,300 pascal suction, it swiftly removes dust, dirt, and debris, leaving floors spotless. Its 230 milliliters electric water tank ensures even mopping distribution, making it ideal for hard floors like laminate, tiles, granite, and parquet. Featuring an upgraded intelligent obstacle avoidance system, This vacuum detects and navigates around furniture, stairs, and other barriers with precision. At just 2.87 inches tall, it easily slips under furniture to clean hard-to-reach areas. Users can control and customize cleaning schedules via the Tuya Smart app, which supports Google Assistant for hands-free voice commands. The included remote control offers an additional way to manage cleaning preferences. With 4 different cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, and zigzag, this vacuum adapts to various cleaning needs. The zigzag mode increases efficiency by covering a larger area with reduced missed spots. Whether you need daily maintenance or a deep clean, this smart vacuum handles it all. Its combination of powerful suction, smart navigation, and dual functionality makes it an excellent choice for those seeking an all-in-one home cleaning solution. Number 5. Shark Vacuum Cleaner Robot. Delivering exceptional suction power, this robotic vacuum is designed to clean various floor types with ease. Whether tackling carpets or hard floors, it efficiently removes dust, debris, and pet hair. Using advanced matrix clean technology, it systematically cleans in a grid pattern, ensuring no spots are missed. One of its standout features is the self-emptying base, which can hold up to 60 days' worth of dirt, eliminating the need for frequent emptying. Unlike traditional models, this vacuum's bagless system reduces maintenance costs. Equipped with a self-cleaning brush roll, it actively prevents hair wrap while effectively pulling up dirt from all surfaces. Precision home mapping technology, powered by 360-degree lidar vision, allows the vacuum to navigate and adapt to changes in its environment. Whether cleaning during the day or night, it detects and avoids obstacles, ensuring efficient operation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.